jealous people around you. You see them as family or friends. They see you as competition. You show them love. They give you hate in return. You prayed for their win. They pray for your downfall. They watch you all the time, not to support you, but to see you fail. Instead of grinding, they gossip. Instead of working, they whisper. They mock your goals and copy your moves. They try to throw dirt on your name because they can't reach your level. But here's the truth. Lions don't lose sleep over the opinions of sheep. They'll pretend not to see your growth, but they're watching every step. Jealousy doesn't come from strangers. It usually comes from those who secretly wished you stayed below them. Ignore the noise. You don't owe explanations. You don't need to defend your wins. Keep working. Keep shining. And never dim your light to make someone else comfortable. Their hate is their problem, not yours.